Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun and super easy Dollar Tree DIY. Is some Sharpie markers, whatever color you want. You can do metallics, you can do color markers, you can do whatever you want to, just a Sharpie marker. And then you're also going to need one of these foam decor pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. They have these in a ton of different styles at Dollar Tree. So we're going to monogram our own fall decor pumpkin. So after you have your Sharpies and your pumpkin, you're essentially ready to go. The one other thing is a little bit of a tip. If you're not great at handwriting, or even if you are, Google some images of the letter that you want to monogram onto your pumpkin. So I have done just that. I want to do this S here, practice it, and practice it a few times. Basically it is, and I just want to give you an example, like basic letter, and you want to beef it up. Fill that in and just keep beefing it up as you go, and then you can add your accents, you know, until you believe that it looks right for you and how you want it. An additional letter here will do A, and I enjoy handwriting a lot, and I like doing different handwritings myself and artsy style handwritings. Like, just for example, you can do all kinds of different things. I would just suggest Google yourself some images . So basically you're just drawing basic letters and beefing them up a little bit. So just find the spot that you want to monogram and start drawing your letter. So that's what we have now. I went over my line, and now we're going to start beefing that letter up. After I have this, I'm going to continue to beef this letter up. Taking my time trying to perfect this. This is not a flat surface. It is hard to work on, and the slower you go, the less likely you are to make a mistake. Yes, that is our monogrammed pumpkin. I actually really love how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little simple DIY. We'll try it out for yourselves. Let me know if you're going to. And I thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. There is Dollar Tree links in the description box below.
Mommy, your makeups.
Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching.